Hey everybody, it is Nettie Morris. I am the mom who was laid off turned digital entrepreneur. And my channel is all about showing other moms how you can make money on these internet streets. So, today I'll jump right in. What I really want to discuss is 3 free money making apps. A lot of us are looking for ways to supplement our income, to add some money to our household, to our bottom line, and we want to see if there are ways that we can do it with little to no cost out of pocket. Well, I'm here to tell you guys and gals that there are ways to do that. Okay, so today I will be talking about 3 free apps that you can use to make money right now. Okay, and if you stay until the end of this video, I will also reveal my number 1 money making venture online. So let's jump right into it. 3 free money making apps. Now, some of you may have heard, or you may not have heard, of Dosh. Dosh is an app that is totally free, okay? It is totally free, and what it does, it gives people cash back when they shop at certain stores, right? So it rewards people, in essence, for going to shop at certain stores, gives them money back, and then they can cash out, okay? They can get that money back through PayPal. All right. So I've earned a good deal of money from Dosh. At times, Dosh has a promotion. So the promotion is if you refer people, if you tell people about them, and then people sign up, etc., then you get $5. Well, certain times, Dosh has run a promotion whereby if you bring people in, you refer them, they use it, etc., then you get $15. So it's a way for you to get free money essentially. Who doesn't like free money? Okay? And so what I also want to tell you about number two is the fam.ly app. Okay? This app I really like, right? Because it is so simple. I mean, all you have to do is watch videos. And so for each video that you watch, you get something called fam coins, okay? Because it's the fam.ly app, right? And so those coins translate into dollars that you can then cash out through PayPal. Free. Free money. You're already on social media. A lot of you are already looking at videos on your phone. Why not get paid for it, right? Why not get paid for it? So, the third app that I want to tell you guys about is, let me pull it up. So, we've talked about Dosh. We talked about fam.ly. The third one that I want to talk about, let me make sure that I have it up here on my screen. I might have to pull it up, is Earnably. Earnably, okay? So this app is really cool, right? You can see my account here. Um, it's really cool because you can do more than one thing to make money in it for free, okay? For free. And so they have a few different categories here, right? So you could watch videos, okay? You could do tasks. All right, you can play games. If you're a game person, you play games, right? So they have several different ways here that you can engage with this app to make money. Awesome, right? Awesome, awesome, awesome. So what is my number one recommendation for those of you who have stayed to the end here, okay? The ones who have stayed to the end with me. I want to show you right now. I'm going to pull it up here for you guys to see. So my number one recommendation right now, you want to make money fast online, okay? $25 one up. $25 one up. Has everything you need built into one. Has capture pages, funnel pages. Okay, I'm going to pull that up real quick for you guys to see. And so we've got different pages here. They're high converting, right? People see these pages and they say, okay, sign me up. So this is the number one thing I would recommend right now because it has everything built right in. It has the capture pages. It has the contact manager. It has the autoresponder, right? That's going to send out emails on your behalf and tell people, hey, did you forget to buy? Come on, this is so good. You need to buy. All right. And depending upon what level you're at, you can get in on this for as low as 35 bucks, right? For as low as 35 bucks on up to $500, right? We got the $25 level, $100 level, $250 level, and the $500 level. Those are one-time fees, and you get to make that amount over and over and over and over again. So if you come in at the $500 level, you get to make that over and over and over again. And the lower levels, same deal. The $100 level, over and over and over again. $25 level, over and over and over again. So that is my number one recommendation. I will leave the link below for all of the apps that I've mentioned, okay, including the number one moneymaker $25 one up. Take care. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and to ring the notification bell, baby. Okay, bye-bye.